Hello everyone, I'm Marilou. Let's find the answer of the problem set A number 38. The first problem is find digits A, B, C, and D that solve the following cryptarithm. A, B, C, D multiplied by 4, we get D, C, B, A. We will use the Polius 4 steps process. Step 1, understand the problem. Again, the problem is find digits A, B, C, and D that solve the following cryptarithm. But what is cryptarithm? Cryptarithm is consists of mathematical equation among unknown numbers whose digits are represented by letter. Each letter or variable should have unique and distinct value which are 0 through 9. The goal is to identify the value or digits of each letter which are A, B, C, and D. Step 2. Devise a plan. Using guess and test, there must be one solution to the problem. Numbers must not begin with 0. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3 is wrong and the correct is 1, 2, 3. Step 3. Carry out the plan. First, let's find the value of A. Since the answer has 4 digits, the possible value of A are 1 and 2. Because 1 times 4 is 4 and 4 times 2 is 8. As you can see, na-maintain natin yung maximum answer na 4 digits. Numbers beyond 2 are not allowed. For example, if the value of our A is 3, then 3 times 4 is 12. So we have now 5 digits instead of 4 digits. Kaya hindi siya pwede. Since A is equal to 4 times D, A is even, so A is equal to 2. Any number multiplied by an even number always result an even number. So between 1 and 2, 2 is an even number, therefore A is equal to 2. We have now the value for A. Replace lang natin si A ng number 2. Let's find the value of D. Since D is the left digit of the answer, the possible value of D are 8 or 9. 8 kasi, kung mapapansin nyo, 2 times 4 is 8 and pwede rin siyang maging 9 if mayroon tayong carry 1 sa taas ng 2. Pero kung papansinin naman natin yung kabilang side, 8 times 4 is 32 and 9 times 4 is 36. D is equal to 8 kasi hindi nasasatisfy ang 36 nung given condition na yung value dapat ni A is 2. Therefore, D is equal to 8. We have now the value for D. Replace lang natin si D ng number 8. Next, let's find the value of B. Since 4 times B plus a carry is C, the possible value of B are 0, 1, and 2. Hindi pwede si 3 kasi 4 times 3 is 12. Magkakaroon siya ng carry 1 sa taas ni 2 at maapektuhan ang fixed value ni A which is number 8. Since 4 times C is even, 4 times C plus 3 is odd. So B is equal to 1. Among the 3 possible values, 1 is an odd and the rest are even. So the value of B is 1. Now that we have the value of 8, replace lang natin si B ng 1. Let's find the value of C. Since 4 times C has 1 as its units digit, when we say units digit, it is the digit in the ones place of a number. So the possible value of C are 2 and 7. Let's see how. Since mayroon tayong carry 3, gamitin natin ulit si 4 times C plus 3. And yung magiging units digit dapat niya is 1 based from the list shown. 2 and 7 lang ang nakapag-satisfy sa units digit na 1. Therefore, the possible value for C is 2 and 7. Let's try 2 first. As you can see, hindi natin pwedeng maging value si 2 as C kasi value na siya ni A. According dun sa rule ng cryptarithm, dapat may distinct value yung mga letters. Try naman natin si 7. As you can see then, walang naulit na value or digit. Therefore, the value of C is 7. Replace lang natin si C ng 2, si C ng 7. Finally, na-identify na natin yung value or digits ng each letter. So, mag-move on na tayo sa next step, which is step 4. Look back. A is equal to 2, D is equal to 8, B is equal to 1, C is equal to 7 is the only correct answer. We use basic number properties. The largest possible carry is 3. The second problem is find digits A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H that solve the following cryptorhythm. From this, we can say that E multiplied by ABC is FEC and D multiplied by ABC is DEC. By adding their product, we get HGBC. Step 1. Understand the problem. Since we already know what is cryptorhythm from the first problem, all we need to know is that each of the letters must be replaced with the number 0 through 9. Each variable should have unique and distinct value. The goal is to identify the value or digits of each letter A through G. Step 2. Devise a plan. This type of problem can be solved by backtracking technique after finding one letter or number. Step 3. Carry out the plan. Let's find the value of C. Since A multiplied by C is C, C is equal to 5. It is given that E multiplied by C is C. It means, kapag minultiply natin si C kay E, yung units digit is C. The possible value of C is the number 5. Let's see how. A multiplied by C is equal to C. 3 times 5 is equal to 15 and the units digit is 5. 7 times 5 is equal to 35 and the units digit is 5. 9 times 5 is equal to 45 and the units digit is 5. So the possible value for E are 3, 7, and 9. And the value of C is 5. We have now the value of C. So replace lang natin si C ng 5. To find the value of E, let's note all the possible cases and try. Let's try to replace E to 3. If you see the colored portion, the sum of 3 plus 5 is B or 8. Let's assign 8 to B. So we have 3 times 5 is 5 carry 1. 3 times 8 is 24 plus 1 is equal to 5. Carry 2, but in the given condition, the units digit should be 3 instead of 5. Therefore, E cannot be 3. Now, let's try to replace E to 7. If you see the red color portion, the sum of 7 plus 5 is 7 and 5 is B or 2, carry 1. So, let's assign B to 2. 7 times 5 is 5, carry 3. And 7 times 2 is 14 plus 3 is carry 1. Since nasatisfy niya yung given condition na yung units digit ng 2 times 7 plus 3 is 7, therefore the value of our E is 7. From this problem, napatunayan din natin na yung value ni B is 2. So let's replace E to 7 and B to 2. Now, let's find the value of D. Since the unit digit of D times 5 is 5, so D is equal to 3. Since the unit digit of D times 2 plus 1 is 7, so D is equal to 3. So, paano nangyari yon? 3 multiplied by 5 is 15 and the units digit is 5. And 3 times 2 plus 1 is 7 and the units digit is 7. Therefore, D is equal to 3. Now that we have the value for D, let's replace D to 3. Okay. So, next, let's find the value of A. Since A multiplied by 3 is 3, A is equal to 1 because 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. So, the value of our A is 1. Let's replace A to 1. Next, let's find the value of F. Since 7 times 1 plus 1 is 8, therefore F is equal to 8. Let's replace F to 8. Next, let's find the value of G. Since 8 plus 7 plus 1 is equal to G, therefore, G is 6 carry 1. Replace G to 6. Lastly, let's find the value of H. Since 3 plus 1 is equal to H, therefore, the value of H is 4. Replace H to 4. Since nakumpleto na natin, i-identify yung mga digits ng letters A through H, let's go to the last step, which is step 4. Look back. C is equal to 5, E is equal to 7, B equals to 2, D is equal to 3, and A is equal to 1, F is equal to 8, G is equal to 6, and H is equal to 4 is the only correct answer. We use basic number properties. The largest possible carry is 3. Now, it's your turn. Try this. Thanks for listening.